He carefully cut the large logs into planks and beams according to the house's design. Throughout this process, James always ensured workplace safety and environmental protection by collecting and recycling wood scraps. Crucial part of the house, determining the stability and durability of the entire structure. He hired a team of experts to help him dig the foundation and lay a solid concrete foundation. To waterproof and protect the house from moisture, James used high-quality waterproofing materials and modern waterproofing techniques. It can get a little overwhelming at times, but he just has to focus on the project that's right in front of him instead of thinking 5 projects down the line. After a day's rest, James began the sawing process. He carefully cut the large logs into planks and beams according to the house's design.
I'll show you how I get it from the
These
pile
substantial
to my
logs
sawmill.
required exceptional
With my
sawing
bare
techniques
hands.
from skilled
Go ahead, you-
craftsmen.
There we go. Final look at the 7-foot vert. At the butt, 7 foot.
After selecting and cutting down the trees, James and his team carefully transported the large logs back to his workshop. This process required significant skill and precision to ensure that the wood was not damaged during transportation. He used specialized transportation vehicles and adhered to environmental protection regulations to avoid negative impacts on the forest. The construction process began with laying the foundation. James knew that the foundation was the most in-depth research and a multitude of others' observations tell you that cutting down this tree, and many like it, will allow many other trees to grow significantly healthier. Douglas fir wood has many outstanding qualities, such as high durability, good resistance to harsh weather conditions, and beautiful grain patterns. However, James was also aware that cutting down trees could impact the environment. Therefore, he worked with forestry experts to select mature trees ready for harvest, ensuring that the extraction did not harm the forest ecosystem. The experts helped James choose trees with large diameters, ensuring that the logging did not negatively affect the surrounding environment. To start, James knew he needed to find large, high-quality trees not only for construction, but also to ensure the house's durability and safety. He decided to venture into the nearby forest to find the right type of wood. After days of searching and researching, James decided on Douglas fir, a large, sturdy tree aged between 80 and 120 years. 2 large logs of this type would be more than enough to build a medium-sized house. Welcome to Swag Tech. Today, we'll take you through the 12-month journey of building a wooden house by an American man, James Holland. Don't take your eyes off the screen, because you're in for an amazing experience. James, an American man with a passion for nature and a love for wooden structures, decided to build a wooden house on his vast land in Oregon.